Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This vlog is going to be a little bit more laid back. I don't know why, I'm just like in the mood to do spring cleaning, spring organizing, and getting some new things. So I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target today. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Home Depot and TJ Maxx with my mom. I think I'm going to like deep clean the house and just do some organizing, put some like wintry things away. I don't know, I feel like spring is kind of the time to go through stuff. Maybe I'll go through some of my makeup. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah, just kind of like organize and not make the house feel so cluttered with stuff, and more just like simple touches and bright touches, because that's one of the things I wanted to do was kind of brighten the house a little bit, because in the wintertime you get cozy, the dark colors come out, which is totally fine, but I think I just need a change. So I want to show you guys what I got in my Target bag. But before we go any further, be sure to subscribe, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And if you're enjoying the vlogs, then give me a thumbs up so I know to keep them coming. These were all the in the dollar section, by the way, at Target. Don't ever go there. It is bad. You will pick up everything. So I got some fake pieces of greenery. This was $3. I got 2 of these pieces of greenery also. These each were $1. And I got this. This I really liked. It has like pieces of like fake eucalyptus in it. Those are the greenery pieces that I got. I also got this jar, which was $3 as well. I figured I could put like these 3 in it, like in this one, you know? And I like the like little dimples all throughout it, and the white bottom just looks very like clean. And then for this, I got this. Oh no, one came off. I suppose that's bound to happen. This was only $3. Maybe I can glue it back on. I got this little jar, and this was $1. They had different colors, but I really loved the yellow, so I figured maybe I could put these in it. I have always wanted a little like wicker, is this wicker? I don't even know what this is, like basket to put a plant in. And I saw this at Target. They literally were just putting all this stuff out, by the way. But this was $5. So I think tomorrow when we go shopping for a plant, I think I'm gonna get a snake plant and a rubber tree plant. I really want to get those. I have a pothos and a ZZ plant downstairs, but I wanted to get some more plants, and this was bright and, I don't know, reminded me a little bit of spring. And then I can sit my plant down in here and it would look all cute and, you know, cute. So those are some of the things that I got from Target today. I've basically just been doing laundry. Haven't been doing a whole lot of cleaning. I've been doing a lot of editing, but I think tomorrow I definitely want to deep clean and just like shed the old season, even though it's probably gonna snow here in a couple days, and just kind of organize and minimize, like simplify some of the decorations I have out and just add some pops of spring. So I'm excited to go see what is at TJ Maxx and stuff tomorrow with my mom. I think I'm gonna try and find candles that are this type of color, like an orange or a yellow, just to add some different touches throughout the house. I'm so excited for my new plants. I cannot wait, but I also need to spend some time cleaning the house. So I am actually going to go relax. I started a new series. It's called Love is Blind, and I'm on my first episode. I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's on Netflix. I will see you guys tomorrow when we go on our shopping trip. It is the second day. I just got back from going to Home Goods and Home Depot, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. The first thing that I got is this. This pillow is from Home Goods. I wanted something to match kind of like the yellow ottoman over there. and it was only 25 bucks. And it's not a pillow that has feathers in it, which I hate pillows that have feathers because all of the ones over there have feathers and they're just like coming out. The pillow's falling apart. It's just a whole thing. So I wanted to get something that did not have feathers in it. And this also has a zipper so you can take off the cover and wash it in the future. Then I got 2 more pillows. This is what they are. And these are not feather either, I don't believe. And this set of decorative pillows was 25 bucks as well. So I got both of those pillows. Went a little crazy with the plants. This first guy I got is a Chinese evergreen. It's supposed to get like really big, so I'm hoping that it does. It's going to sit in this. So that's kind of why we like replanted it. It will look like this for now until it gets bigger and I won't be able to fit it in there anymore, but I just figured it would look nice kind of in there for now, and then it can grow really big. It's kind of a baby one right now. Then I got this guy. I was actually gonna get a smaller one, and then I was like, no, I'm gonna get a big one. This is a snake plant and it is huge. So that's like, look at, compared to each other, like the snake plant is so large compared to the other one. I got this replanted, got a little thing on the bottom so it won't sit in the water. So I got those from Home Depot. Those are real plants. Then I got this. This is a fake little plant, but I liked the pot that it was in, and this was 12 bucks. So it just looked like added another kind of level of texture, and it's a plant that I don't have to worry about but still looks nice. Then the last thing I got is this orange blossom candle from Home Goods. I really liked the pattern and I loved that it was white, and it just brought, it looked a little bit more summer springy, and it's by Red Leaf Home. It smells so good, you guys. I am not normally about citrusy scents. This smells like so yummy. So if you see this in Home Goods, you definitely need to pick it up. And this was 7 bucks. I feel like I'm reaching a point in my life that I almost like candles like this that are from like off brands more than Bath and Body Works, just because like when you compare it to the look of a Bath and Body Works candle, sorry, that's like in this thing, I feel like this just looks a lot more pleasing than this. I don't know, and it's so much cheaper than a Bath and Body Works candle, and I think they're like soy candles, coconut wax. So anyway, those are all of the things that I got, plus the pillows over there. I'm gonna go ahead and find homes for these guys. I think the snake plant likes the light and this Chinese evergreen does not. So I think I'm gonna put the Chinese evergreen over there. That's cute for now. You know, it's like little, it'll grow. And I just like the look of this basket thing. You know, I mean, it's not gonna be in this forever, but I just think it looks kind of nice for what it is. Then I'll repot it when it grows, and that's where it'll live for now. All right, I think I'm happy. Let's move this. All this stuff is gonna go down in the basement for winter time, but I think I'm happy with how this looks. It just like kind of brightens the room a little bit with all the yellow. I do really love the pillows that I got. Not exactly sure like to keep it like this, just to add some variation to the couch. I don't really know. I don't even know if I need 4 pillows on this couch, but that's kind of what we have been doing lately. So I'm really happy with how it looks. I moved the blankets over there, put the little cute plant over there. Then I just added this candle to our mantle. I didn't really make any other changes to the mantle, but I wanted to add that in there. So I moved the snake plant over here in the front room because as you can see, it gets like lots of light. So I'm hoping that it can grow well here. And then I do need to change this out because this is very like, you know, winter-y. So I'm gonna take this off. I think I'm gonna put this guy there. Oh. Maybe it's too big. I replaced this little section with the Let's Cuddle Target also, and this little Target thing that I showed you yesterday with the greenery in it. Then I think this is how I want the mantle. So I added that little greenery there, moved the Home Sweet Home over, and there's that candle that I got. I think I have everything where I want it. I did actually move the ZZ plant upstairs. So that's where I put the ZZ plant that was down there, but now the snake plant lives there. And the ZZ plant lives up here. Hopefully it will be a little happier, not in as much sun. Hopefully those windows don't hit it and make it mad. I changed this out too, just to make it a little bit more planty, I guess. And I'm washing the cover for that pillow. I like the snake plant here. I think it looks really nice. And yeah, I feel like I just brought some more greenery and plants into this area, which I really like. Now to the cleaning part, which is not as fun, but I think I'm going to start maybe in the front room, just kind of run the vacuum. I don't think I'm going to deep clean like amazingly, but I definitely want to hit every room that I can just to know like, okay, things are cleaned and making some progress. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the fun cleaning. It's the very end of the day. I am exhausted, to be honest with you. I am so ready, just relax. My feet are killing me. But I got a lot of stuff done today. I definitely would say that I've spring cleaned officially, so I can check that off the list. I like how everything is looking in the house, and I basically cleaned every single room in the house today, which is cool. Like, go me. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. If you enjoyed this vlog, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and if you want to keep seeing like lifestyle house videos, let me know that too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.